This is the Up Mini. The Up Minis are located on the far right side of the 3D printer station. In order to use the Up Mini, you must download and install a slicing software called Up. Go to the MakerLodge website and under Resources, you will find links to download Up. Once it is downloaded, open the Up software. Go to File, Open, and select your file. You can place your model manually using the toolbar on the right side, or you may select auto placement and the software will try to find the best placement for you. To move the piece where you want, select Move and then the amount of millimeters you want to move per click. Select Scale to scale your piece larger or smaller and the rate at which your piece will size per click. Select Rotate to turn the piece and the number of degrees the piece will turn per click. Select the -X, X, -Y, Y, -Z, Z, depending on the axis you want to manipulate the model. When your piece is in the position you want it to be in, you will need to configure the print settings. The time it will take to print is not only dependent on the size of your piece, but also on the infill and support. The infill controls the density of your piece. Keep in mind, the more dense your part, the stronger it is, but also the longer the print job will take. You can designate an angle at which to add support material. The larger the angle is, the more support material is produced. More support material means longer print time, but also higher print quality and less warping. 45 to 30 degrees is a good middle ground for most prints. When your piece is ready to print, click Print Preview. Select the quality you want and then press OK. A window will pop up and show you how many grams of filament that will be used and the amount of time the print will take. Connect your computer to the Up Mini printer with the USB cord. Once your computer is connected to the printer, under 3D Print, click Initialize. Once the printer is done initializing, select Print and wait for all the layers to be sent to the printer before disconnecting your computer. You will need to wait a few minutes for the printer to heat up before it begins depositing filament. It is a good idea to keep an eye on your print as the printer completes the first few layers to make sure the filament is depositing correctly. Sometimes errors in calibration will cause prints to not start correctly. Once your print is finished, allow time for the printer to cool down as both the nozzle and the print bed will be hot. The Up Mini print bed will lower automatically when done. Put on cowhide gloves and carefully remove the print bed by pushing down and slowly pulling it out. Carefully scrape your piece off the print bed using one of the putty knives. Both the cowhide gloves and putty knives are located in the cabinet beneath the table. Make sure you clean off all of the plastic debris in the print bed with a brush or mini tabletop vacuum when done.